Jochiw thieth matiyo kuonde pimo remo e ute thieth mopogore opogore kaunti ma Machakos ochako ng'anyo margi ayanga odiechieng' ma kawuono ewi ywak ma gin go ne tend kaunti no ni okwenje dwaro maggi. Hotelni kod jakom mar riwruog jochiw thieth matiyo kuonde pimo tuoche kaachiel kod remo Nicholas Odipo gi ywak ni tend kaunti no osebedo ka winjo ywakgi kamoriwo kwayo mar bedo gi twak ewi midhiero magikalo e kaunti no. Moko kuom gi ywak ni iketo gi tenge ok chwal gi ngas mar tich mamalo kaka winjore e kind ywak mamoko magin go. Ng'anyo no gichako bang' miyo tend kaunti no ndalo 14 mar bedo kod gi twak.
Of the county government to offer healthcare services, and because we cannot have the governor and her team in the labs, then they have to employ us. Employing a person to come and work for you, that person has a right. So we are really sorry for the patients who are coming to seek laboratory services. We are only telling them that it is the employer who is on strike. Because we started this thing long time ago. Since last year, we are singing the same song. Promote these people. And we are not going to call off the strike until our demands are met. And most of the promotion.
We started actually midnight today because the employer has decided to go on strike. When you give a strike notice for 14 days, the strike notice was lapsing yesterday. Until yesterday evening is when the employer wrote us a letter. You cannot tell us that you want to promote half of the members. What happens to the rest? Which criteria do they want to use?
Tumekuwa tukijadiliana ili hali wamefanya ubaguzi katika nyanja tofauti tofauti ikiwemo ya vile ambavyo wanapandiza gazi wafanyikazi wao. Tunaomba wakaaji wote wa Machakos tafadhali, sisi hatuna budi, hatuna ubaya na nyinyi, ila tu serikali yetu ndio inatufanya tuweze kutoa kwa sababu hawajatimiza yale ambao tulikuwa tumediana na wao.